So today we're gonna DIY a sweater that's my son. It's a little short on the sleeves, but we're gonna find ways to DIY it. I'm gonna cut off the sleeves of the sweater and we're gonna do some fun stuff, and I'm gonna show you guys little steps that I do. Right now, for the first step, I already started a little bit. So far I cut this right on the seams of the sweater, and we're gonna cut it out. We're gonna cut the sleeve and we're gonna create a sweater vest on this sweater. So I'm gonna show you the steps we're gonna take. You'll grab some fabric paint, because that's what's going to lead us to the next part after you finish cutting out the sleeves of whatever desire you wanted to do to your sweater or DIY sweater that if you have of any of your children. So I'm going to show you guys what's the first thing. So here, and we have a little cup with some water and some paint, which will allow me to clean the brushes through the process. And also too, to make this very desirable and easy to don't rush, make sure you have a good show next to you. I'm watching The Mentalist. I'm in season 4, but it's easy for you to be allowed to be creative and kind of work on this. Now I moved from the setting of where I was at from the room to now to my kitchen table to kind of focus on what I want to create here. I'm gonna look up some ideas of what could possibly my son would love to see on the sweater, which is a Harry Potter themed sweater, and I kind of want to keep the theme to that. So I finished creating my front here. My front is looking real spiky. I was thinking I should have made them in the middle, but it's okay. Now I'm really here debating on what should I do in my clean area. You got my dude here looking like a real unique wizard. So I'm thinking about creating something here. I don't know yet. I'm trying to get some ideas to do so. But yeah, we'll try to create something. What should we? I don't know. I'm thinking about just going ahead and adding some lines up here, simple decorations to it, but we'll see. So this, I tell you, it's like a step.